guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to try something I seen on Instagram. It's called some Cheeto balls, which I looked at some of the recipes. I see you can really stuff these with anything, but this was one of the main things they had, the boudin sausage. Oh, it got rice and stuff in it. But I don't know, I'm gonna kind of make me a twist to this. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to boil me some chicken breasts. These two. And then you put sausage in them, cheese, and you coat them in this. Of course, I need some eggs and stuff. So let me go ahead and boil this chicken. Okay, before I put this on the pot, of course, I'm gonna use my all-purpose seasoning. Make sure you go out and grab this. It comes in Cajun and It comes in spicy and regular. So let me set this on the stove. This come with rice, so I'm gonna just wait a minute. Let me cut these up, dice them. So let's open up this and see what's in here of these. So let me just see what's, I'm just crumbling them. You know what, it already has rice. I'm gonna cook these a little bit, y'all. So I am going to add just a little butter in here. Go in with my all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to cook this down. I'm going to add my peppers in here just to take a little crunch off there. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a bowl. So this is done. I think I'm gonna just make me a cup of rice. Now this is my first time making this, so y'all bear with me. We're gonna all try this together. But I'll put some towels in here because I want to soak up as much liquid as possible. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Let this drain off, but I'm gonna make me a cup of rice, and by the time I come back, the chicken should be done, and we're gonna get these bad boys together. But I'm gonna let everything cool down before I do all the other mixing. Okay, we are back. I shredded the chicken, so it's all cooled down. Put the chicken in there. Made the rice. Probably not gonna use all this rice. I'm gonna mix this together and see how it looks. One thing I did say earlier was the cream cheese. So soften up some cream cheese. I'm just adding a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning back in here. I'm gonna put in a pack of cream cheese. I'm gonna put in some mozzarella cheese. Put in a lot of mozzarella cheese. And I'm gonna do some provolone mozzarella mix. I wanted to have that gooey pool. Everybody be talking about, let's see if we got the pool. First, we're gonna mix all this together. The cream cheese and cheese. Make sure it's all mixed up together. I'm gonna add some more mozzarella. Yep. So get this good mixed together. Smells good too. I think I'm gonna like this. This is my first time making it. This is my first time trying it. You know, TikTok always got us doing some shit. I'm gonna make sure that cream cheese is softened. Okay. Let's. This is the ball. So we're going to roll all these up and put it on the sheet. Okay, we are done. So you put these in the freezer and let these freeze for 45 minutes. But while these in the freezer, we're gonna make the cheese and the other stuff. So put these in the freezer for 45 minutes and come back. Now we want to get us some Cheeto puffs. People use other kinds, but we're gonna use Cheeto puffs. I do have other ones. So I am going to I put some regular, some crunchy ones in there. So for this, you're gonna need some beat up eggs, some regular flour, and the Cheetos. So now we about to assemble these. Okay, we are back. So you coat them in the flour first. Coat it in the eggs. And then coat it in the Cheetos. I just did 4. I'm just let me and my brother try them. So I'm gonna put these back in the freezer for 15 minutes and then we're gonna fry them. I'm gonna save these for tomorrow or something, or when my friends wanna come over tomorrow and try them. So put these, after you coat them, put them back in the freezer for at least 15 minutes, that's it. Okay, my grease is at 360, because you know that's what you're supposed to deep fry at. So let's drop these bad boys in there. I'm gonna just do 2 at a time because I don't really want to overcrowd it. We're gonna see how this look when we come back. Okay, we are back. Let's look. See, here they go. Let's do that pull test they be doing. Now, I'll be seeing people, they be having ranch or some jalapeno cheese, some type of melted cheese, but let's see. Kinda got the pull. Let's dip it. Okay. I really like these. These are really good. These are really, really good. This is my first time making these boudin balls. It's so hot. And it tastes good. I will give these a 10. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know how you make your boudin balls, what you put in it, how you make it. It's so good. I gotta keep dipping this. Until next time. Peace.